G'day, this is Oz ADV, right out in the very cold summer's morning. It's about 4 degrees when I left home. Out in the Basalt area, just out my own. Didn't know if I was going to be riding today, so I didn't plan anything. Yes, I've just managed to find Stevenson's hut. There isn't much of it. Lucky to spot it. The track sort of tapers off back there, and I just spotted a bit of tin. Barry from Baz66 and I looked for this a while back and couldn't find it. So yeah, here it is. Let's go have a better look. Go with all the trees down. Let's keep moving. Next stop is LaFrenchie's hut, which I have been to before and is a lot easier to find. This LaFrenchie's hut's a lot easier to find and in a lot better condition. Wasn't much left of that Stevenson's hut. There it is, right in front. That's a cool little hut. I'll take you in for a look. You've probably seen this before in my videos. I've been here a couple of times now. Yeah, I'm going to have to duck down to get in. There's some toilet paper in here. Nice big fireplace. Yeah, it's really cool, this one. They're really happy with how the new phone holder's going. See, it's staying put. Did a lot of really rough tracks last weekend and it just stayed put. Oh, cool. Yeah, when Verve Viper contacted me about this phone holder, I told them exactly what I do with the bike. Said I ride a large adventure bike on rough tracks, so the phone holder's going to get a workout, and I'll be giving a very honest review, and they had no problems with that, so that's always a good sign. Yeah, this is McKayan track. I've done part of it before. I think we went the other way last time and went around and back onto it. That was a big roo up there. Plenty of roos around this morning. I have noticed that fuel pump's getting a bit of a whine up again, so I'm thinking that's the high pressure filter. The pump itself's new, so I'm going to have to look at replacing that filter or doing the filter bypass mod. This looks tricky. Get down the first for this one. We're good. Oh, apart from the roos, look out guys, come on. There's another one coming. Yeah, follow your buddies. Where is he? He's still going. There's some more. There's little joeys. Look at them all. Oh, one of them stacked it. Okay, left. Far out, there's roos everywhere. They're all, look at them all through the paddock. They're all coming this way too. All more roos. I think that was a wallaby. They usually just streak past you. The roos seem to just jump around like idiots. Oh, there's another bloody wallaby. Far out, go little dude. Pretty sure this is the site I'm looking for. I don't know what I'm going to see. Oh, right there I can see bricks. Yeah, cool. Righto, let's get off and have a look. Let's see what we can find. You can see, looks like an old building here. Yeah, we are. It's former gold battery. I don't know exactly what that means. It's amazing these places just littered through the bush. Imagine there were people everywhere out here back in the day. Okay, so this is a dead end, so I have to backtrack a little. Now I've got the next point is remains of rammed earth hut. Righto, let's go see if we can find this next one. This has all been washed out. Whoa, far out. Is that it right there, I reckon? Cool. Huh. Wow. So it's basically an old mud hut. Huh. Yeah, look at that, it's just all rock and mud. That's what's left of it. So I think my next spot is just down there. Historic chimney. Righto, let's keep moving. Okay, where are ya? That it? Yep. It's not much of a track. How far we got? Kilometre, I think. Wow. 800 metres. Am I still on a track? I think so. Yep. Down this way. All this for a historic chimney. I hope it's a cool chimney. Where are we? I don't see the track anymore. Rightio. Where do we go? Up here? Looks a bit more like a track down here, doesn't it? Just have to be very careful, there's lots of holes about. And it's very hard to see with all the bloody leaf litter. Yeah, this is looking more like a truck now. A bit further. We've got to go right up to the creek, so I'm guessing we're going to go downhill again. Or the, what was it? Stringer's Gully. Okay. Where is this chimney? This truck actually looks like it keeps going. The map says it doesn't. Where's this chimney? So far I've found everything I've been looking for, so I don't want to bloody miss this one. Truck keeps going. But I've passed it. There, it's back that way. I went left, I should have went right. Oh shit, how did I miss that? It's huge. It's got a tree growing out of it. Wow. Oh, where have I seen that? Probably Santos's channel. Righto, this chimney is pretty bloody cool. Oh, look at that.
Wow. That's the trunk of it there. From a distance, it just looks like one big tree trunk.
Okay, so that was really cool. That was worth the effort. You never know what you're going to find in these places. Anyway, it wants me to backtrack and get back on this Shepherd's Flat Warona Road. But I'm actually going to try and follow this because there's a track through there. I reckon I can come through onto it there, then come back down. Yeah, righto, let's get moving. Put the charger back on. Yeah, that's where I came down. We'll go through this way. See if we can get back onto that Shepherd's Flat, I think it was called, Shepherd's Flat Warona Road. Let's get around that tree. Hey, nice. Yeah, I haven't seen or heard another vehicle since I left the sealed road. Oh, there's a dam there. Okay, where am I? Ah, righto. If you wanted an easier way to that chimney, you come off this road. That wasn't far at all. What do we got? 900 metres. So I think this next one was marked Deep Pit. Just here apparently. Up there maybe. I think I might be right. Something there. Crap. Far out. Yeah, that looks like a deep pit. Let me come around here. I can't see the bottom. Far out. Still can't see the bottom. There's a rock. 3, maybe 4 seconds to hit the bottom. And now I'm out of breath. Right, let's get moving. I'm going to go the steepest way down. Oh well, what the hell's this? Huh. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, I reckon they were planted here at some stage. They don't look native. There's a freaking hole there. Gone up and over a hill on our way back down. Oh, she's rough down here. Whoa. Oh, far out. Yeah, if you're going to ride out here, you need a decent bash plate and decent boots. Otherwise, you're going to have a stick through your foot and your sump. What is that up there? Little quartz up there. Yeah, that's definitely not natural, that wall, brick wall there. Yeah, well, let's keep going. Whoa, we got a big ass hill coming up. Shit. Far out, that's straight up. Looks reasonably smooth. We're just gonna have to go for it. I'm nearly done, but I don't know what else this truck's got installed for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How am I going to get around this one? Oh dear. Can I get down there? There's a big friggin' hole over there. I have to just go through here, I guess. It'd be better if there wasn't mine shafts. I don't want to go, can't go through that. I've got to get up to there. I've got freaking logs everywhere. Maybe if I go through there, back through that. Either way, I've got bloody logs or holes on my choices and rocks. Yeah, I do have your saw with me. I could have cut the path if I needed to. We're also riding the bulldozer, so we're all good. Speaking of bulldozers, it looks like they've dozed this truck recently. Oh shit, that scared me. They're bloody Roos. Let him go. Well. Wow, he's huge. Been a fantastic day out exploring around this area. This is Basalt, Yandoit, Daylesford, Hepburn Springs, that kind of area. Lots and lots to see. Great tracks, yeah, and great things to find. Yeah, I'll definitely be out here again. That was awesome. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.